The book structure and content. The book AI/ML Model Architecture with Python offers a comprehensive guide to implementing AI/ML solutions. It delves into various aspects, from foundational concepts to advanced techniques and real-world applications. Pradeep K. Suri. Author, researcher, and AI/ML architect. Here's a breakdown of the key themes and chapters. Part I, Foundational Knowledge. Chapters 1 to 3, introduce the concept of AI/ML, its potential, and the role of management in its implementation. Chapter 4, discusses the application of AI in R&D, production, and process control. Chapter 5, provides a practical example of a machine learning pipeline using Python and Random Forest. Part 2, Technical Deep Dive. Chapters 6 to 12, explore topics like feature importance visualization, forecasting, and training AI models. Chapters 13 to 15, delves into management perspectives on AI/ML results and core concepts of the book. Part 3, Advanced Applications. Chapters 16 to 21, covers advanced topics like human-AI interaction, AI process networks, and key Python libraries. Chapters 22 to 31, provides practical examples of AI/ML engine development, project flows, and integration with various business processes. Part 4, Real-world case studies. Chapters 32 to 49, presents real-world applications of AI/ML in domains like finance, manufacturing, and education. Chapters 50 to 57, covers advanced techniques and tools for model development and deployment. Part V, Future trends and best practices. Chapters 58 to 65, discuss future trends, best practices, and the role of AI/ML in various industries. Key takeaways. Practical approach. The book emphasizes hands-on learning with Python code examples, ensuring readers can practice and apply concepts effectively. Real-world applications. It covers a wide range of real-world use cases, making it highly relevant for solving practical AI/ML challenges across industries. Management perspective. It addresses the management's role in AI/ML initiatives, offering insights into planning, implementation, and achieving business objectives. Advanced techniques. The book explores advanced topics such as deep learning, reinforcement learning, and natural language processing, equipping readers with state-of-the-art AI/ML skills. Additional highlights. The book's website will be updated regularly with new AI topics and advancements in AI technology, providing ongoing value to readers. The author has deployed over 500 AI videos to YouTube, offering extensive learning resources to complement the book. By providing a solid foundation, practical examples, and insights into real-world applications, this book empowers readers to leverage AI/ML in their organizations effectively. We have uploaded a few videos and a white paper. 1. AI/ML Model Architecture Stock Analysis and Alerts, Data from ERP System to DNN. 2. Deep Neural Network, DNN, to diagnose patients' health AI/ML Deep Learning and DNN, AI Engine. https://sites.google.com/view/AI-ML-model-architecture/home. Thank you.